that's my
North
foot.
central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, south central Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service 3:39 p.m. severe thunderstorm warning. A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Geary and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinton, Geary, Bridgeport, and Greenfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, south central Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Geary and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is...
Holy crap. That was completely unexpected. Sorry about the shaking on camera. It's a mixture of the lens itself and me. Because that scared the crap out of me. Wasn't expecting anything. It's, what time is it? 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I was just sitting here drinking some coffee. Yes, I do drink coffee. Anyways, I was drinking some coffee. All of a sudden, 12:05:19 went off. I immediately grabbed my phone because my camera is out of storage. So, yeah. So sorry about the bad camera work. It just was unexpected. I didn't expect it. There we are. Trying to put my watch on. Because I was ready to go somewhere. So, yeah. That was completely unexpected. I guess now I'm going to have to get footage off my camera in case there are any other alerts get issued. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. Although I think it'll probably be the only clip I catch today. By the way, today is Sunday, June 6th, 2021 at 3:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. We'll see if anything else gets issued, although that storm is apparently stationary. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. Although this, like I said, this will probably be the only alert I get. So, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Okeen, moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Keene, Ringwood, Ames, Isabella, Homestead, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning for South Central Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, North Central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Okarche and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Okarche. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm.
You know, on second thought, now that I've heard the siren on that, I actually kind of like it.
Northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Ledyard County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Did the vector go off?
3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of O'Keene, moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts
That was
and
unexpected.
equal-size hail.
Anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it for now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as